All right, guys, I want to introduce you to one of my favorite people. She is one of the best massage therapists in Kansas City. We've really connected here lately. It's Betty Mantz. Betty, thanks for coming. I want you to talk a little bit to my group here about what you do and kind of what makes you special about your type of massage.
Okay, I'll do that. Yeah, my name is Betty Mantz, and my business is called Body Therapy by Betty because what I do is really quite unique. It's an alignment therapy that utilizes a couple of different approaches. The calming of the nervous system through craniosacral therapy, some regular soft tissue massage techniques, as well as a focus on fascial tensions. And so I've become an expert in myofascial release, which also works with the nervous system because the nerves also are covered in fascia. So as the nervous system calms and the fascia opens up, things start to move. So musculoskeletal system, fascia system, and nervous system all together. It's also very holistic therapy in terms of mind-body connection, breath connection. I have my people become really involved in getting in their bodies and not just being massaged at. So it's like you get to relax, but you also, I'll ask you to breathe into areas and to notice things. So that increases the mind-body connection.
Yeah. You know, it's one of those things too that, I had a chance to do it, and it's an hour and a half, so it's obviously very extensive, very detailed with that. It's, when we talk about posture and, we do it through exercise and muscle education, but I tell all my clients that massage is probably the #1 complementary therapy to what we do. Somebody go and get the massage, get that to release, get that connection, and then they do the exercises, the proper exercises for posture that help line that up. It helps support. There's such a good connection. So I'm really a big fan of it. Obviously, I've, like I said, been to you and a big fan of what you do. And obviously, you're a client of me, so we're kind of trading with that, and you're doing the postural therapy here. So. But let them know, where are you located?
My office is at 706 West Penway, inside a big red brick church building, which the main part is called the Rime Buddhist Center. A lot of people know that Rime Center. But the West Annex has a beautiful courtyard with a fountain entrance, and that comes into what used to be the gymnasium of the church. And that is a yoga studio called Sunshine Studio, a chiropractor, Dr. Kelly Austin, and then my Body Therapy by Betty practice, which is upstairs, and it's a large space, so it entails a treatment area as well as movement therapy. So I also teach people to do self-myofascial release.
And it's right off the I-35, so you come off that exit, and it's literally right there in front of that exit.
Really
so it's not like you have to go down into the crossroads or anything like that. You come off of there and it's right there, so it's
There's
very
parking
easy.
on both sides of the street. It's a wide boulevard.
What's your phone number so people can call to set up an appointment?
816-213-0848.
And I'll have that also in kind of the notes here, but also today we're going to do kind of a special deal just for my email list and the people that this is going out to. Is Betty's been nice enough to give you an opportunity for the introductory session. She's going to give you a $20 discount if you mention that you're coming from exercise therapy. If you're coming from seeing this video on our email list, she will actually give you a $20 off on her introductory program, and that's only good for this week. So you have to call her this week to set that up, to schedule that, and get that going. And I'll tell you, I've done it. She's great. I've worked with a lot of massage therapists in my 20 years of doing this, and she's definitely one of the best, one of the most educated, with outside just massage, but body movement and connections and all of that too. So I definitely recommend going and seeing her and getting that done. So all right, thanks for coming, and we're going to get started with your exercise session now. But like I said, give her a call here in the next week and set that up. You won't regret it. It's definitely one of the best massages that I've had in Kansas City. So
thank you.
All right.